And you know that boiling occurs when you heat it, but evaporation can occur at any temperatures. During these processes, only the liquid particles leave the solution. The dissolved particles stay behind. The liquid, it goes, and the dissolved, it stay behind. The same thing what I've explained, girls. Here are the important points. You can just read this out again, and please try to highlight them. That a magnet attracts matter that contain iron, separating it from the other parts of the mixture. Boiling changes a liquid to gas. Same thing. Please highlight it in your books. Now, proportions and properties. Proportions and properties. Girls, for this page, okay, let me read this first. When you make a lemonade, it's important to get the amounts of lemon and sugar right. When you're making a lemonade for your mom or for your sister or for yourself, the amount of lemon and sugar what you're taking has to be right. If it's too much sweet or too much sour, it doesn't taste sour, it doesn't taste right. So proportion affects the mixture. And when you mix metals, these are called alloys. Girls, somewhere just make a note and write my explanation because it will really help you out to remember the word alloys for your whole life. Whenever you study something about alloy, remember airplane. Your airplane is made up of two metals or many metals, in which major are copper, aluminium. Now, why in the plane they are using the aluminium metal? Because it is light. And why copper? Because it is strong. Okay, so when I mix aluminium and copper, or I mix aluminium and zinc, or I mix any other two metals, they become more stronger because now they have some new property. They have some new property. Once again, previously your grandparents used to use some silver spoons. Maybe after 10 months or 12 months, the spoon is, rusted. It is brown flakes comes on that metal spoon or metal, some of the metal, what do you call it, toys or some. Why? What happens? Because it's not mixed. Now here they say, they give you example. Steel is an alloy. Steel, what you use in an alloy, it's made up from iron and carbon, iron and other substances. Okay, nowadays what you use your spoon, they add chromium to it to make the steel shiny and stay for long. That's why your spoons what you're using today doesn't rust faster. Carbon is also mixed with the steel to make it stronger. So what's happening, girls? Your alloy is more stronger than the metal alone. Again, girls, please remember the word alloy. It's mixture of metals. Okay, it gives you a new thing, new metal, which is more stronger than the previous two. To make an alloy, metal and other elements are melted together. They are melted together so that they combine and then they allow to harden and make a new. It's not that they have invented a new element out of it. No, it's a mixture of metals. We still call them as a mixture of metals. So alloy is a mixture of metals and other substances. Steel is an alloy made from iron and other substances. Adding chromium makes steel shiny. I told you, when I say adding chromium, remember your shiny spoon. Metals such as nickel and titanium can keep steel from rusting. If you apply nickel and titanium to steel, it will not rust. Adding carbon can make it stronger, make the steel stronger. Here are something: kettle, sculpture, and steel building. We are just saying that how are they? Shiny, doesn't rust, can be shaved, easily shaved. We are writing the properties here. And girls, do the math. It's very easy. You just have to put the circle there and show the percentage, like chromium, nickel. Chromium is 18%, iron is 74, almost like 75, and chromium is 18, nickel is 8. So you have made a general what you call as compare and contrast, and here a graph which shows them, and here with the carbon and other things also. Thank you so much, girls. This was for today. Have a nice day. Don't forget to help your mom and your